Hello children, welcome back to the e-learning class. Today we are going to learn or explain the poem Onion Rings. Children, in this poem, two kids are comparing a thing that is onion ring with different things. First child is telling or exploring about onion rings, and the other child, means second child, is trying to make connections. Have you ever seen or eaten onion rings? Children, you may have seen or eaten onion rings. What do they look like? Onion rings look like gentle golden and crisp. Taste like delicious, and when it breaks, sound like cracking. Here, first child is wishing to have more onion rings to distribute or share them with his friends or other people. Children, whenever you have more eatables with you, you think about to share them. The same the first child is wishing for. Let us go to the next stanza. Oh, I know the onion rings. You wear them on your finger. They shine so bright, those onion rings, beautiful on your finger. Here, the other child is trying to make connections, and the child is saying, I know the onion rings. Those onion rings you are speaking about. Again, the child says, you wear them on your finger. They shine so bright, those onion rings, beautiful on your finger. Children, here the second child made connections with finger rings. As finger rings also shine so bright, and we wear them on our finger. Let us read next stanza. Again, the first child says, no, those aren't onion rings. Those are silver rings. These are a gentle golden, crisp and cracking golden. Here, the first child says, no, those are not onion rings. Which rings about you are speaking? You spoke about the rings. Those are silver rings. I am speaking about onion rings. These are a gentle golden with crispy skin of a fried food. When these rings break, makes dry, sharp sounds. Let us go to read the next stanza, means fourth stanza. Oh, I know the onion rings. You wear them on your ears, nice and bright with golden shine. Oh my, they look so fine. Here, again the second child tried to make connections. Oh, I know the onion rings about which you are speaking. You wear them on your ears, nice and bright with golden shine. Oh my, they look so fine. Here, the second child made connection with earrings. They look so fine on our ears, nice and bright with golden shine. They look so fine. Look children, look at the children. This is a pair of earrings. This pair look so fine, bright, shine, golden earrings. Let us go to the next stanza. No, those aren't onion rings. Those are golden earrings. These can be eaten galore. Mom, please get me more. Again, first child says, no, those aren't onion rings about which you are speaking. Those are golden earrings. But I am speaking about onion rings. These can be eaten galore, means in large numbers. Means he is saying he is asking to his mother, please get me more. Let us go to the next stanza, sixth stanza. Oh, I know the onion rings. Wow, these yummy little things. May I have some more of them? I can fill my tummy with them. At the last, the second child made connection. Oh, now I know the onion rings about which you are speaking. Wow, these yummy little delicious things. Again, the second child says, may I have some more of them? I can fill my tummy with them. The child also thinking to have more tasty little delicious things, so I can fill my tummy with these eatables, means delicious things. Children, this is how the poetess wants to show the conversation of two kids, how they both of tried to make connections and understand the difference between two things, that is onion rings and finger ring, onion ring and earring. Now children, ask to your mother or father to make onion rings and enjoy. Let us meet in the next e-learning class with new topic. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.